I came across this new website or app. Okay, OE is a new AI platform that helps you to generate your content. Okay, whether you want to create movie, they have templates. You can also create things like World Cup event. If you want to reuse the template, this is it. Okay, this platform is well loaded. You can just use the template to create yours. All right, you don't need to do much. Everything is already done for you here. However, I just want to show you how you can get Grok 1.5 video generation for free on this.
You're spoiling me already.
You deserve the best.
Where did all this money
Let's
come?
just say I got lucky.
After everything I did for you, you stole from me? You lied to me? And now you're with her?
App. All right, when you join newly, you will get 200 credits to use on this platform. All right, here you can just type in your tests to start generating. Okay, if you have a test, or you can add image. Okay, if you already have your image, you can attach it here, or you can click here to start creating. There are lots of ways you can start building your content on this platform. I want you to take note of the agent. When you click on agent, you will notice they have different agents. Okay, they have ChatGPT, they have GPT, image 2, Nano Banana. They have different one, but the one we are looking for is the new Grok video generation that have been introduced to this platform. So from here, you can get free Grok. Imagine 1.5. Okay, that's new, that Grok just released, and it's very, very good. Okay, if you've been using it, you will know that it's good. And here you get it free. All right, make sure you select that. Okay, also select your aspect ratio if you want 16:9, and also if you want to increase your time. Okay, Grok gives us 10, 11 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. You can do that, but mind you, when you are selecting that, it will take more credits. Okay, if you reduce it to 5 seconds each, it's still okay. All right, you can make it 5 seconds, depending how many videos you are generating. Just do your settings. This platform is so good. It's free creation. Okay, we're using free creation at the moment. It's not pro, it's free. So Grok Imagine 1.5, that's the model we're using, and that's what we want to access free on this platform. So the next thing I'll do is to click on the plus sign. It will take me to my browser, where I will actually generate, add the image I want to use in this tutorial. Okay, you can have different images if you're creating scene by scene. Make sure you've generated your images. It can also help you to generate images. You can see they have image models. Okay, if it's image, they have image models. Okay, you can use it to generate. I'm using Grok. I just want to animate the images I already have. So what I did, I went to ChatGPT. I already have prompts I typed out on ChatGPT, okay, to help me with this content. So this is it. I just want, I love fruit content. Okay, fruit content is one of the AI faceless videos, that's content that I've been getting. I easily get monetized on social media platform. Is I'm getting a lot of views and is monetized for me on TikTok and Facebook. So I love fruit content, and it gives me audience from international audience. I love it. I love fruit content. Okay, it's universal. So if you're someone you want to learn more about monetizing your AI videos, you need to join my academy on SKOOL. I will leave the video, the script, the link down this video tutorial, so you can join, learn how to create good quality AI videos, different niches. That's what we touch there, and start monetizing your social media handles. Okay, make money with your AI content. So AI fruit story is one of my favorites now, and I do a lot of paid promotion with it. So that's why if you watch most of my tutorial, you notice that I do fruit stories. Okay, and so this is it. Okay, I will just take the dialogue. Okay, I'll copy the video prompts and dialogue. So you also learn how to prompt. Okay, so that when you prompt, you'll be able to have everything you need for each scene in the prompt. Okay, so that's what we teach in the academy. So I will just copy my video and dialogue scene. So I copy it, and I will head over to the platform where I've already is, my image reference. So remember, you select the model and you add that, and this is it. Okay, I always like to add who we said who should say. Okay, I always like to add that, especially with dialogue content, because I want the lip syncing to be perfect. Okay, so I always add this. It helps the AI to understand who should say what. I don't want this person saying what the other person should say. I don't like that. And most of the time, if you didn't do all this correctly, you end up exhausting a lot of credit, because you end up having a lot of distortions. Okay, so that's why I like to, this is my sheet code. Okay, like I use it to make sure the AI understands the assignment better. Okay, so after you've done that, I select a 5 second and I will click on generate. Okay, it will start generating. This is one of the platform you can also use to generate your videos. Okay, to generate your content. They have something like a chat box agent that we initially start working on your prompt. Okay, and start working and start, it's kind of a director, the arts director, turning it into intent. It understands the assignment. That's what this platform does. Okay, it is very, very good. I urge you to try it out. It's called Oyi. Okay, go ahead, register for free. It will give you free credit to use. Okay, trust me, you like, if you like, you can upgrade on it. Okay, or you change account. So everything is being done on this canvas, is generating on this canvas. Please do not forget, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorial like this. It's still generating, and you can drag the canvas. Okay, you can drag the canvas with this. Okay, just for you to actually move it. You can use pan hand to pan things. Okay, select the pan hand to bring this to the middle box. Okay, it's very, very easy to use. Seriously, I love this platform so much. I love it so much. I love it. Is do understand. So it's generating. Give it some time to generate. All right. You can also go ahead and just read what it's saying here, but it's in a working mode now. Okay, activate work mode. It's thinking, it will go into all the agent mode, everything that needs to generate this video using Grok 1.5 video model, and that's what we're using to generate this for free. Okay,
You're
guys,
spoiling me
the video is ready. Let's just
Ready.
watch.
You deserve the best.
Where did all this money
Let's
come
just say I got lucky.
So this is beautiful.
You're spoiling me already.
You deserve the best.
Where did all this money
Let's
come
just say I got lucky.
Okay, so this is beautiful. If you is asking you, do you want to modify anything? For me, I don't want to modify, because it actually followed my dialogue and the video prompts. Okay, everything is just in a perfect place. Okay,
spoiling me
all you
already.
need to
You
do is
deserve
to
the
right
best.
click on it and just click on download. Okay, and download the video. Okay, click on download and download the video to your device. So I will go ahead to add more scene to this. Okay, add more image. Okay, I'll click on it because I'm still working on that particular storyline. Okay, I'll just add this to the box. Then the next is for me to add my prompt. I'll head over to ChatGPT to copy my next video prompt, and okay, and dialogue scene. Just copy your video and dialogue prompt, then head over to the platform and paste it. Remember to make adjustments to the dialogue. Okay, I want is the strawberry now, which is the lady standing out there. I don't know if you can see it, it might be a bit small, so she'll be the one to say all this. Okay, so this is her catching her Apolito man cheating on her. The kind of story we do on fruits content. Seriously, fruit content is one of the niches you need to go into. It's very, very amazing. Okay, should say. All right, always use that so that we know who is saying, and you can go ahead to do your settings. Okay, and just send it off and it will start creating. So this is the next scene, and this is how you can build your storyline using Grok 1.5 model. Okay, this is the latest model that Grok released. It's so good, it's so clear, it's so clean, and you'll be getting it free here. Okay, every day you get 200 credits to use to create, and that 200 credits can generate you how many videos. Okay, it's so good, guys. It's so good. And it's still thinking on this side. You'll be seeing everything on this canvas. Remember I say you can get the arm to move around things. and then you can scroll down to see what is actually creating. Okay, you see everything. This is kind of the back end, but the agent is showing you the back end on the left hand side, so you see the back end, what the agent is actually doing. Okay, as you can see here, is analyzing the reference image and understanding the character. Okay, so the video is ready. All you need to do is to hover around the canvas, because sometimes it can just be anywhere
After
on the
everything I
canvas.
did for you,
So the video is ready here.
you stole from me? You lied to me? And now you're with her?
Okay, so this is beautiful.
After everything.
Just right click and download the video to your device. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing video tutorials like this.